The disappearance of Ettore Majorana remains one of the greatest mysteries in the history of modern science. Born in Catania, Sicily, in 1906, Majorana was an exceptionally gifted Italian physicist who became part of Enrico Fermi's famous group of young scientists in Rome, known as the Via Panisperna Boys. Fermi considered Majorana a true genius, capable of understanding extremely complex problems almost intuitively. Despite his extraordinary talent, Majorana was a private and solitary man who disliked publicity and often destroyed his own scientific notes. His work in theoretical and nuclear physics was highly influential, particularly his ideas about nuclear forces and elementary particles. In 1937, he became professor of theoretical physics at the University of Naples, but only 1 year later, his life suddenly became a mystery. On March 25, 1938, Majorana traveled from Naples to Palermo after withdrawing money from his bank account. While there, he sent a telegram to Antonio Carelli, director of the Naples Institute of Physics, apparently saying that he would not return. Soon afterward, however, he sent another message asking Carelli to ignore the first one and announcing that he intended to come back. On March 26, Majorana apparently boarded a ship from Palermo to Naples. He never arrived home. From that moment, all certainty disappears. An investigation considered several possibilities, including suicide, kidnapping, escape, and deliberate disappearance. Suicide seemed possible because Majorana had shown signs of emotional distress, but no body was ever found. His financial actions and contradictory messages also suggested that he might have planned to disappear. One theory claims that Majorana deliberately abandoned his career and created a new identity. Some researchers believed he may have entered a monastery, while others suggested that he escaped to South America. Over the decades, several people claimed to have seen a man resembling Majorana, including alleged sightings in Argentina and Venezuela, but none was ever conclusively confirmed. A photograph taken in Argentina in the 1950s even appeared to show a man remarkably similar to the missing physicist, but it could not prove his identity. Because Majorana was deeply interested in nuclear physics, later theories also suggested that he may have become frightened by the potential military consequences of scientific discoveries. However, there is no reliable evidence supporting this explanation. What makes the case particularly fascinating is Majorana's personality. He was brilliant, unpredictable, deeply private, and capable of withdrawing completely from the people around him. His disappearance, therefore, seems strangely consistent with the mysterious character he had already shown during his life. Enrico Fermi was devastated by the disappearance and understood better than most people how extraordinary Majorana's mind was. More than 80 years later, nobody knows what really happened. Majorana may have died shortly after leaving Palermo, committed suicide, or deliberately disappeared and lived under another name. His scientific legacy survived, but his final fate remains unknown. The mystery of Ettore Majorana continues to fascinate historians, scientists, and the public because behind the brilliant physicist lies an unanswered question. Did Majorana disappear because he wanted to die, or because he wanted to begin a completely new life?